Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect the latest and greatest in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into the realm of activewear with a spotlight on the Amazon Essentials Men's Performance Tech Loose Fit Shorts. If you're on the hunt for the best big men's shorts on the market, you've landed in the right place. So, what sets these shorts apart from the rest? Let's start with the basics. Crafted from 100% polyester, these shorts are all about comfort and performance. With a relaxed fit that sits comfortably below the waist and extends generously through the hip, thigh, and leg, they offer ample room for movement without compromising on style. Now, let's talk tech. These shorts are engineered with performance tech fabric, boasting an ultra-lightweight and breathable construction. Whether you're hitting the gym, shooting hoops on the court, or simply running errands, these shorts have you covered. Plus, with quick dry and moisture-wicking properties, you'll stay cool and comfortable no matter how intense your workout gets. But wait, there's more. These shorts aren't just functional, they're fashion-forward too. Featuring a stylish honeycomb texture knit fabric and a drawstring closure, they offer a modern aesthetic that's perfect for both the studio and the streets. Plus, with a length that sits just above the knee, they strike the perfect balance between coverage and mobility. One of the best things about these shorts? Their versatility. Whether you're lounging at home, hitting the track, or heading out for a casual day with friends, they seamlessly transition from one activity to the next. Talk about a wardrobe essential. So, there you have it, folks. The Amazon Essentials Men's Performance Tech Loose Fit Shorts. With their unbeatable combination of comfort, performance, and style, it's no wonder they're considered the best big men's shorts on the market. Trust me, once you slip into a pair, you'll never want to take them off. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on all your favorite products. Until next time, stay stylish and stay active.